Hi everyone, my name is Sakode and today I'll show you how to download WinRAR on your Windows machine. So to start, you click on Chrome browser or you choose a browser of your choice. In address field, you type download WinRAR on address field to download WinRAR from their website. After that, you click on WinRAR download free and support. Here is their website. Here you can buy WinRAR software. You can download 32-bit and for compatibility version. WinRAR support Windows 10 Home, Windows 10 Pro, Windows 10 Education, Windows 10 Enterprise. So to download it, you click on the download tab. Here is the download setup. Here you can choose the version of your choice. We have 64-bit and 32-bit. Here I will choose 64-bit to download it on my Windows machine. And after downloading, I can install it on my Windows machine. So WinRAR is in the process of downloading the software from their website. Now it's downloading. And downloading, you can select and choose show in folder to show you where you download WinRAR to. Here's the WinRAR software. I hope this video helps you, and if you enjoy it, consider it subscribing so that you can receive update anytime we upload new video. Thank you.